In professional kitchens, power, speed, and full control must work together. This is exactly why the Unicooking electric freestanding potato holding station was developed. It is designed for professional kitchens. Thanks to its GN11 compatible structure and 1000-watt ceramic heater, it keeps potatoes at the ideal temperature and crispness. Even heat distribution, high efficiency, and a durable industrial design allow service without compromising on taste, even during intensive operations. Designed for professionals, the Unicooking electric freestanding potato holding station brings together performance, durability, and quality. Unicooking, the art of the professional kitchen.